Good day, everyone. My name is Mr. Batabi. Today we'll be discussing about water pollution, environment pollution, and other things that causes destruction in human life and animal lives. So today I will be focusing on the causes of water pollution. Then my colleagues will be talking about water pollution effects, solutions, and environmental pollution effects, and some other things. So I will be focusing on the causes of water pollution, right? So, domestic sewage, as you can see here, we are on a river system whereby this river system was created to take water from the other side of the town to the other side of the town. So we focus. So this drainage system is being polluted by human activities and other activities such as animal dying inside the river, so on, right? So in the domestic sewages, unfiltered or poorly treated sewages flush from households towards the waterways, whereby they are the feces and everything they be deposited into this water system, right? And then other than plastic pollution, plastic waste including bottles, bags enters the water and harms the animal.
Come up with solutions that we can implement. The first solution that we can implement is to implement the wastewater treatment and reduce plastic use. That some people will just throw papers everywhere, whereby when it's raining, water will take those plastics to the river, then it flows with the river. We must promote sustainable agriculture. We must educate and raise awareness in the nearby communities, whereby we will educate people on how to refrain from throwing up waste on rivers. I thank you.
My name is Kumara Bingeni. I'm going to add on what my member said about the causes of pollution. Yeah, sometimes pollution can be caused by this debris of wood, which is sometimes brought by floods. And this floods sometimes cause, and this debris of wood sometimes clog, which is causing further flooding.
Good day, everyone. My name is Mlambo Ayanda, and today I'll be adding on what my members have said, that the problem that we have chosen is illegal dumping, as you can see on my side here. So today I'll be focusing on the effects of illegal dumping on both human beings and animals. The first effect that illegal dumping have on human as well as animals is soil contamination. Soil contamination can lead to food poisoning because the soil being contaminated like this, it simply means that nothing can be planted on the soil. This also leads to soil degradation because the soil loses its value. Then another effect is extinction. Extinction in this way, the living inhabitants that live in this part of this area. No living habitant can survive in this area. So whichever living habitat that it is in this area is not going to survive. So that can lead to extinction. Then also another effect is the respiratory problems. The respiratory problems in this way, like inhaling pollutants, can lead to.
Welcome to Mafikeng, the capital city of Northwest Province. Our group has identified an oppressing environmental issue, which is illegal dumping. We have discovered that people from this area, which is Unit 15, they're illegally disposing of their waste and trashes in this site. Causes of behavior like this, it can be that all the residents that contributed to this problem are not even aware that they're causing harm to the environment. It can be that there's insufficient law enforcement in this area, and also it can be that there's a lacking adequate management infrastructure. However, consequences for behaviors like this, as you can see, there are people who are burning their waste to the site. Burning waste can contaminate the air, can cause air pollution, and when air is contaminated, it can cause respiratory disease to local residents living nearby, which can cause asthmatic diseases, asthmatic attacks, heart diseases, and lung infections. Okay, as a group, we propose that a local government can do that by implementing a proper waste management and also having enough law enforcement and monitorings where there will be patrollers to deter illegal dumping sites and also identify perpetrators who are causing harm to the environment. And also have education programs where they educate all the residents about behaviors like this and the risks associated with behaviors like this.
Good day, everyone. My name is Mona Community. So we are here at Geoe 15. We have identified land pollution, as you can see. So I will dwell more on solutions to what local authorities and the community can do to solve this. So we have 4 points that local authorities can do to avoid land pollution. So the first one, the local authorities must make sure they improve their waste management so that we can avoid such things, because such things bring risk to human beings' health. So they must make sure they improve their waste management. And then the second one, under employment, to reduce poverty, the local authorities can hire or teach or train people to come here every week to clean up, to reduce such things. So it means number 2, the local authorities can hire people to come clean every week. And then the third point is that the local authorities can make the law of fines, whereby if they get you dumping something, you have to pay something for that. And then the fourth one, the local authorities can utilize the big containers where they teach people where to put their things in order, plastic bags and wood or grass or other things. And then the other thing, they can do program awareness, give people awareness or if they do land pollution, what can be the effects to their health. And then to the community.
Good day, everyone. My name is Videotape, and our group, we chose land pollution as our topic. We are in Mafikeng Unit 15, and the environmental issue that we identified is illegal dumping. Illegal dumping is a growing issue that takes place in township mostly, and normally it takes place in a vacant land where houses are, and people choose to throw away their waste in that vacant land. Now, an issue here is that people, they tend to burn that waste, which pollutes the air and ruins the quality of the air in the surrounding area. And then another issue is that it degrades the soil quality in that area. Normally, all of this takes place in a place where like the
All come to agree that water pollution and air pollution have major impact in our lives and in our animal, also in our environmental problems. So what you can say is that if you come together as people and then some authorities, authorities, local businessmen, and everyone can fight. You can fight land and water pollution. Thank you.